Welcome back to the deep dive. Today, we're jumping into a piece of gear that's built to be put in some pretty tough spots, the AIDA Imaging HD-NDI-VF POV camera. Our mission here is to really get past the marketing sheet and pull out the key technical details you need to know for, deployment and actual use.
Exactly. And you can think of this camera as, well, the tough big brother in the lineup. It's made to get that perfect 1080p shot from places where other cameras would just, well, fail.
Right. And what really makes this one stand out, from what I'm seeing, is this mix of very specific hardware and some seriously modern network features.
That's it. This isn't just another small camera. It's designed from the ground up for professional IP video workflows.
Yeah.
We're talking full HD streaming all the way up to 1080p.
Okay, so let's start with its armor. The source makes a big deal about it being IP54 battle tested. What does IP54 actually mean for someone setting this up outdoors?
Yeah, that's crucial for any field work. An IP54 rating gives you high protection against dust getting in. So, a dusty warehouse is fine. And more importantly, it's protected against splashing water from any direction.
So it can handle a serious downpour.
Oh yeah, heavy rain, snow, no problem. That's thanks to that hardened aluminum frame, which kind of looks like a heatsink. But, and they're very clear about this, you can't submerge it.
So he can't swim.
He cannot swim. Weatherproof, not submariner-proof.
Good to know. So it's perfect for a scaffold, which is exactly where you'd see something like this. And speaking of deployment, let's talk about the lens. It's a custom Vaifocal lens from AIDA's factory in South Korea. Why is Vaifocal such a big deal here versus a fixed lens?
It's all about flexibility. Pure and simple. With a fixed lens, you get one field of view. That's it. With this, you can adjust your shot. You can go from a really wide 90 degrees, which is great for an establishing shot, all the way in to a tight 25 degrees.
And you can do that without actually touching the camera.
Exactly. You frame your shot electronically. That is a massive time saver when your camera is mounted 30 feet in the air.
That flexibility seems to carry right down to the cabling, too. They keep talking about their one cable tradition with PoE plus cells. So for the listener who needs to get this running quickly, why is that so important?
Well, PoE plus just means power over Ethernet plus. So instead of a power cable and a data cable, you just run one single Ethernet cable for both. It makes installation so much simpler, less clutter, more reliable. And they even give you a generous 10-foot I/O cable and the PoE plus inserter right in the box.
That one cable approach gets even more impressive when you look at what it can actually send over that cable. This is where it really shines, technically.
Absolutely. We are talking about simultaneous streaming of 4 different premium protocols. You have NDI-HX, SRT, RTSP, and RTMP. And by the way, that NDI-HX license is preloaded.
So it's broadcast ready out of the box.
Instantly. NDI-HX is the standard for high-quality, low-latency video over a normal network. And the fact that you can stream that alongside something like SRT, which is amazing for sending secure video over a shaky internet connection, gives you incredible distribution options.
And the control options mirror that. You can use VSCA over IP NDI or its own web UI. Let's clarify VSCA over IP. That's the industry standard, right?
Okay. It's the gold standard for remote control of things like zoom, focus, and aperture. It means this camera can be mounted way up high in a stadium, and you can still have precise, real-time control from a production truck miles away.
Okay, before we sum up, there was a fascinating little business detail in the source that I think is really important. It sort of explains why you might see different prices online. The vendor, HDTV Supply, mentions things like free shipping and a warranty, but they also get specific on pricing.
Right, and this is a crucial detail if you're looking to buy one. The current price is listed at $540. And the source materials is very clear that this price already includes a 15% tariff that AIDA added back on October 9th, 2025.
So if you're shopping around and you see a much lower price somewhere, it's probably an old listing from before the tariff was added. That 15% is now just baked in.
So when you connect all these dots, what you have is a really high-performance POV camera. It's specifically made for those tough external environments where you absolutely need flexible zoom and you need comprehensive IP streaming. Those are non-negotiables.
And for our final thought, just think about the power of being able to push 4 major IP protocols at once: NDI, SRT, RTSP, and RTMP simultaneously. That basically solves a producer's worst nightmare about redundancy and distribution. You can feed your main production, a monitoring feed, and a secure remote backup, all from one camera with one cable in the middle of a rainstorm. That's true resilience,